Get ready.
What's new in that? An elaborate spread of makeup.
Yeah, because I was coming and my friend told me, "Oh, you look really tired and sloppy." I'm like, "Yeah, I just still haven't done makeup." Do you
You know,
understand?
people who say that should be banned. What is
Yeah,
this behavior? Like, why would you do that to someone? Why would
exactly.
you bring someone down? Let them be tired peacefully.
I know, right? And I feel like, especially for women, it's the thing. If
Yeah?
man comes like just without even washing their face, oh, he's so natural.
Yeah.
Women comes like that. Ah, she looks sloppy.
You can't have it all. She's so nice, she's so like low maintenance. Or
Yeah.
then they'll be like,
Much makeup. Oh, she's
yeah,
not natural.
yeah.
What the fuck? Get a life, bro. Like, let us have a
You
life.
can't have it all, is it?
Yeah. So,
Makeup routine on the pod.
on the
What a big deal,
pod, yeah.
huh? Yeah, because we're just saying it takes so long to get
Yeah.
ready as a woman.
It does, guys. It does. I'm just
Yeah,
making it quick here.
yeah.
But,
And like it takes so long that we had to do our makeup in the train. Look,
yeah. Exactly what I feel like.
yes, I'm
I'm
Ayati,
Pallavi.
and welcome
We
to
are just
Say.
saying.
You might want to do your dab, 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 and then
Oh, really? Okay.
because you have dots.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Because I was watching my own reel and like, because everybody, other people who make podcasts, they look so good. Like,
Stunning.
yeah, they look stunning. And like, they've got lights and everything on their
Yeah.
face, and we look sick.
Yeah.
I'm like, okay.
I guess people don't realize that we are actually making these on the way to our work. So, A, it's like really early in the morning, and B, like we can't be overdressed to work either. So, we kind of have to like keep it in the middle.
And also, see, Pallavi is really sleepy in the mornings.
Oh, yeah.
So,
That's an important factor for
if you
sure.
haven't watched our episode, go watch Morning Bird Night Owl.
Yeah.
People have loved it.
It's gonna
Shut
be
up.
here.
It's gonna be so good.
But yeah, please, guys, please subscribe to the channel. Like,
Yeah.
why
Stop
so
fucking
many
around. Just fucking subscribe. She's
calm down.
okay.
Why are so many people unsubscribed? It just takes like one click and it's free of cost. So please subscribe. We're doing all of this for free. Can you believe that? In this economy. But
Yeah, we are good people.
anyway, this morning I was getting ready and I just realized that every morning I have a mini breakdown because I have to think about what I'm gonna wear today.
That is crazy. I just close my eyes. The only day I wear something good when we have podcast. I'm like, I don't give a shit about
The
it.
other days Pallavi just shows up in a t-shirt.
Mostly, yeah.
Yeah.
Or just one shirt that I wear, I think, the whole week. And
It's
I'm
like a
getting tons.
uniform.
Yeah, I'm getting I feel like there should be uniforms for office as well.
When we were in school we had uniform, we were like, oh no, we should wear different clothes, and now that we don't, we realize
It's
how
always we
important.
want the things that we don't have.
Yeah,
Right?
grass is green on the other side, I guess. But we're kind of lucky that like the office that we work in is not like super corporate. Like you don't have to show up in blazers and
Yeah.
coats and like
And like our
shirts.
role requires
Some
to probably
flexibility
not
as well.
wear suits and
Yeah.
whatever.
Yeah, so that's
Yeah.
why we are always like semi-casual, semi-formal, not semi. Yeah, semi-formal.
Semi-formal.
Yeah,
Casual.
semi-casual. Go to sleep.
In pajamas.
Yeah.
Okay, let's start. Like, we were thinking about like dressing up and like coming to the work, right?
Yes. How long
So-
does it take for you to get ready in the morning?
Honestly, when I'm coming to work, I just wash my face and I come.
Yeah.
But if I'll say just going out,
Yeah.
honestly, if you're properly getting ready, it takes 1 hour, 1.5 hour.
1 hour.
To like really get ready. If you get the natural look and people don't come and tell you, oh, your makeup is so messy, like, oh,
Yeah.
it's really bumpy right there. I mean,
Yeah.
it's makeup.
Yeah.
Fucking hell, if I'm not doing my makeup,
Yeah.
you're coming at me and you're like, oh, you look really tired. I'm like, no, I just haven't done makeup.
Yeah.
It's like, you'll have to do it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? There are random people, or people will just not even look at you because I don't know, you look weird.
Yeah, but I salute this girl. Like this girl does like proper makeup, with like foundation and like everything. I usually just do like a sunscreen because I don't want to get people to get used to them seeing
Seeing you
me.
in makeup.
Yeah. So I want to keep it like this so that people are used to seeing me like this. So even on a bad day, I'm looking like this. And even on a good day, I'm looking like this. Only if I'm going out, I will put some wild shade of lipstick, and that's about it.
Yeah.
But I support like, this girl. I really respect this girl for like doing.
Yeah, for me, I don't groom so much when I go to the office.
Yeah.
But as soon as I step out of my house,
Mm.
apart from going to office, I am really groomed because I just feel like that gives me confidence as well.
Yeah. Makes you
Um,
special, right?
I feel like I can just run the world.
Yeah.
People actually reciprocate with that thought
Energy
of
as well.
yours. Yeah, right. If you're just like dressed up, I don't know, wearing a hoodie and you're going out, nobody gives a fuck. And
Yeah.
on top of it, if you're like wearing a crop top or like all dressed up, have good
Skirt.
makeup, yeah, blah, you just walk out, everybody be looking at you,
Smiling
hi,
at you.
smiling. Creeps only, but fine.
Yeah. It's like you're making a statement, right, with the clothes
Yeah.
that you're making. Like
Mm.
if it's D&D or approach me with the kind of clothes
Yeah.
that you're wearing. But I was thinking about this. There are a lot of CEOs and stuff, who wear like the same clothes every day, like a black T-shirt or I don't know.
Do you talk about Mark Zuckerberg?
Steve Jobs, Mark Zuckerberg.
Mark Zuckerberg, he's colorblind, guys.
But
So he
Mark
always
Zuckerberg is
wears
also
gray.
wearing like very random clothes now. Have you seen his Instagram?
No, I haven't.
Okay, so anyway, I've seen a lot of those CEOs, but they're mostly men. I've not seen a single woman leader or a CEO wear like the same thing every day. Even like politicians in India who are like women will wear like different saris. So it's impossible for a
Proper
woman to
saris.
do it, right?
Yeah,
Like,
it is. I feel like society has set this grooming standards. I think it's very gendered
mm,
oriented.
yeah,
Like women need to look pretty, women need to look good, blah
Yeah.
blah blah.
yeah.
And yeah, nobody tells anything
I
to man.
always think how a man's brain function on a daily basis when they're getting ready. Do they ever feel the need or the pressure that obviously they need to be like approachable and smart, but do they ever have to be like, oh yeah, I also need to look good today? Because for women, I think that's the way we think, right? Like we need to
Gotta
perform and
look
do our
good,
task, but we
yeah.
also need to look pretty while we're doing
Yeah.
it. So
No, I don't think men do. I've
Yeah.
got one of my friends living with me in the house, okay? He wakes up, he just washes his face, he doesn't care.
yeah,
So I just need to go to work.
Yeah.
That's it.
yeah,
Just wear the dress or whatever, your
yeah.
formal shirts and pants. That's it.
See, as long as it's like, I know it's difficult for us to get ready and stuff, but I do think men also need to take care.
Yeah, they also should be groomed.
Need to learn
Like you
something
see
from
men
us.
becoming Kabir Singh and all that. I'm like,
The
what? You see those Instagram men? They look unreal to me.
Yeah, they
Right?
look AI generated.
Yeah, they are AI generated. The
The
ones
glow
who
on
really
their face
yeah,
and everything.
glow, proper shape beard, and
Yeah.
like having proper
Yeah.
hair with gel in it.
Yeah,
What? Real men don't look like that.
yeah. But I think I take a lot of time to get ready. Like I don't do like elaborate makeup and stuff, right? I think I take a lot of time to get ready because certain pieces of your clothing are so impractical or they just don't go together. You know what I mean? Like my job requires me to have pockets because I need to be on the go.
Yeah.
So I will need pockets on my pants, and for some reason they don't put pockets on women's
Women's.
pants.
Oh, guys, change that.
Or they
Change
put
that.
fake pockets, which is like an illusion of freedom that you
Yeah, I
have.
don't want that. We just want pockets. We just want pockets in our dresses.
So the days I have pants that don't have pockets, I have to wear a jacket that has a pocket, so it allows me to put things. So like all of this planning is so much strategic. That's what requires time for me. Like you'll have pants without pockets, then you'll have spaghetti tops that don't have like paddedness in them. So you need to like work out a strapless bra that will be comfortable for you at the same time. So much planning. So much planning.
Yeah, it is so much planning. And also with all our women, the dresses that we wear,
Yeah.
you have different bras for it.
Yeah.
Some bras will just kill you. Will be all wired.
Yeah.
It's like you're in a jail or something.
Yeah.
And then you'll all be like, yeah, but then you need to look good, so it has to
Yeah.
be, like shoulderless or whatever, shoulderless, off shoulder,
Off shoulder.
shoulderless, off shoulder, like just so it's
Yeah.
hard.
And some bras are struggling to
Yeah,
just be
somehow
there,
just
bearing into their last life.
it's like, let's survive, we can make it.
And then there is like the conundrum of like visible underwear line and all of that when you're wearing tight skirts.
Yeah, so like exactly for the gym things.
Yeah.
Okay,
Oh yeah,
Now-
leggings. Oh
it's
fuck.
so hard, bro. Like I don't know what our topic was and where we came, but it's fine.
Yeah.
So for women, okay, when they wear these tights to the gym,
Yeah.
okay, they're like, oh, they need to look proper shaped, right?
Yeah.
And if you're wearing the underwear, which is like the thin line one, people don't like, oh, they can see your underwear. I'm like,
Yeah.
it's fine, you're wearing it.
It's
so people are
natural.
saying it.
Exactly.
But now, in this 2025, we are wearing thongs, which fucking scratches your ass. Okay, you can beep that one. So yeah, you're wearing that, and like it's so uncomfortable. And now social media has made that so normal.
Normalized.
Yeah, to wear that and go to gym. I've stopped wearing tights. I just wear like joggers and go because I can't. I just want to work out.
Yeah.
I don't want to be struggling and trying to
It's
do my things.
conscious.
It is
about
like it's
everything.
really annoying.
Yeah.
I feel like women also do things like that just because it's all on social media. Be like, oh yeah, this is how this
fall
happened.
into the trap
Yeah.
so easily, right?
It's not good. It's no
Yeah.
good. It's no good.
Yeah. So I just recently moved places and I was like unpacking all of my clothes and I didn't realize how many clothes I owned. And honestly, I only wear 20% of them on a regular basis.
Yeah.
And the rest of the clothes is like I was trying to get rid of them. But then in my head, I have a made up scenario. Oh no, I will need this because I need to wear it on someone's graduation, or I need this when I go on my summer picnic, or I need this when I am, I don't know, going for an interview. And like those scenarios are actually like what, say 5% of your like yearly thing.
Yeah.
But even then, you have to bear onto the weight of those clothes and you can't get rid of them.
Yeah.
Like, as a woman, you can't have like the same wardrobe for
As a man.
yeah.
Yeah, no, you can't.
You can show up in a shirt and a pant to like almost all situations as a man, right?
Yeah. Be it a wedding. Oh, a formal shirt and
Yeah.
a pant would be nice. To office, perfect. If you're going out, just change it with denim.
Yeah.
For women, there are so many things. A top, a shirt, a t-shirt, a bralette. I'm like, what? Just
Yeah.
and then men cry about, oh, we don't have good clothes, or we
Yeah.
don't have so many sections for our clothes. We don't
Yeah.
have options.
I think I found the solution to my problem is buying
Ooh.
as many jumpsuits as possible.
As many what?
Jumpsuits.
Oh, jumpsuit.
I love
But then
jumpsuits.
again, there's a problem with jumpsuit.
What?
You'll have to take everything out to even wee.
That's true.
See?
That's true.
It's not easy. Just put a zip in here. No, but we don't have a. Okay. Sorry, I just thought about it.
No, it's good. Someone needs to come up with a jumpsuit that makes it easier for us to do our business as well.
Our business.
Yeah.
Yeah, right? To come up with a dress or something which is as comfortable as jumpsuit, and also we can be in that.
Mm. So, dressing up is fine. There is another element that takes a lot of our time, our money, and our efforts: skincare.
Skincare is a scam.
Why do you say that?
Because I have spoken to dermatologists,
So fancy, huh?
yeah, and also like nutritionists and all those. It is a scam.
Yeah. Why?
There is nowhere in the books or in the research papers it's proven that collagen can help you with anti-aging.
Really?
People are dying for collagen.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
always thought so because like a lot of years has gone by where we consume collagen through like say chicken soup and all of that. So I thought internally it makes sense, but like how
Yeah.
does it externally make sense for you to apply collagen or something?
Yeah, so like there has been no papers which has proved that you taking collagen supplement or you applying those collagen masks or drinking collagen water is gonna help you with anti-aging. No, nothing matters. The only thing which you should have in your skincare is your moisturizer, sunscreen, and retinol. It has no. It does no. It's proven. I'm only talking on research basis. What do you mean no? See, it's very.
No, I'm not
simple
saying
step.
no.
You're laughing like that. Then.
No, because she was selling this idea of getting retinol into my skincare. I'm like,
yeah.
not another thing, yeah. I was already so done with my present.
She doesn't do anything. She just has moisturizer and
Sunscreen.
sunscreen.
Yeah, I'm just gonna depend on my grandmom's genes to work out when I get old.
No, but then the sun here is very strong. So
Yeah, I
like
know that.
you need to have some things in
Yeah.
place.
Ozone layer is getting depleted. Our skin's gonna go to shit.
Yeah, but it's crazy. In 2025, people do at least 12 skincare.
Yeah.
Like they'll have a cleanser and then
Toner.
no. First they'll cleanse their face and then they will wash their face with
Ice
whatever
bath?
thing. Yeah, that happens
Ice
as
bath,
well. As soon
yeah.
as you wake up, toner and then your retinol or salicylic acid or niacinamide, and then they go with a corrector and then the cream and moisturizers and then on top of
Sunscreen.
it sunscreen. I'm like, bro, like let your skin breathe.
Yeah.
It's like they've cemented their face.
There's other makeup as well that comes. You have like multiple shades of lipsticks, so many kajals and eyeliners, and it's like you need so much space for all of this as well. Just so much clutter. Like I wish like there was like one thing fits all kind of a solution. Yeah. So anyway, what's the end to all of this clutter? If you could keep like 5 staple pieces of clothing, what would you keep?
I'll keep a crop top. I'll
Yeah.
keep a shirt. I'll keep nice top, one off shoulder top. Oh my god, what am I saying? Yeah.
Bottoms.
Yeah. Oh, bottoms. Oh, I love like those chinos, like baggy pants.
Yeah.
Baggy denim, baggy pants.
That's more than 5. But
Oh
okay.
shit, skirt.
One skirt.
Oh no, yeah, one skirt. Just one's
Yeah.
fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, you go for it.
It's gotta be 2 jumpsuits at least.
There's a jumpsuit woman.
One nice shirt, one black t-shirt, and one denim.
Just one denim.
Yeah, because that's 5.
Oh yeah, I gave I don't know 10, 12.
Okay,
Women.
we'll do one little black dress also, just 'cause
Okay,
I'm feeling
cool.
it.
That sounds.
Anyway,
Thanks for watching.
thank you so much for watching, and yeah,
Just a quick episode, and we'll come up with the
more
massive one.
such topics.
Yes.
Let us know if you want us to talk on something more
Let us
specific.
know. Okay, thanks. Bye.